Start by laying out the tiles on the floor without adhesive to see exactly how patterns, cuts, and grout lines will look. For an expert-level preview, begin with a full dry fit of all tiles across the installation area, using spacers to mimic final grout joints. This reveals awkward cuts, pattern mismatches, and focal points before anything is permanent. Next, measure and draw a simple scale plan on paper showing walls, fixtures, and thresholds. Then mark your starting line and the center points so you can simulate how tiles will align with visible edges. If you prefer digital tools, use basic layout software or a room planning app to import room dimensions and tile sizes, then try different running bond, stacked, or diagonal layouts to see how grout lines flow around cabinets and doorways. For complex patterns or mosaics, print full-scale tile templates on paper and tape them down so you can walk the room and check sightlines and transitions with natural and artificial light. Consider creating a small mock-up on a plywood board placed in the room to assess grout color under real lighting and to test thinset and tile adhesion on the actual substrate. Always photograph your dry layouts from multiple viewpoints and at eye level to judge pattern rhythm and to share with homeowners or installers for feedback. Common mistakes start with ignoring focal points, which can leave narrow slivers of tile at visible edges, so move your starting line to center a whole tile on the most visible wall or entry. Another frequent issue is choosing grout color by swatch alone, which can clash under real light, so lay a grout sample between tiles in the room to view how it reads with floor and wall colors, then adjust accordingly. Finally, skipping a full dry fit leads to last-minute cuts and wasted material, so always dry fit entire runs and label tiles where necessary so cuts fall in less conspicuous places. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors by connecting them with profiles and project photos that illustrate contractor experience with tile layouts and installations. We also help contractors find work by letting them showcase completed visualizations and join our active discussion community to share techniques and get referrals.